In a world focused on expensive, invasive procedures and products, many of us have either overlooked or maybe just don't realize how much strength actually shapes the way we look. When I wrapped the whole Glow series, it felt complete. But then one more foundational layer became clear, and I had to share it. Strength and structure. Hear me out. This concept and how it connects to our skin health and glow feels incredibly underrated to me. Some of the most important influences on how your skin looks over time come from the structure beneath it, and it's our habits that shape that. Strength training isn't just about building muscle, it's influencing multiple layers of structure in the body under the skin, including bone density, which supports the underlying framework, muscle tone, which gives shape and support, collagen production, tissue repair, and inflammation regulation, which affect how the skin holds, heals, and ages, all of which directly affect how your skin looks and holds up generally over time. And the face isn't separate from the body. It reflects those same systems. So over time, supporting your body this way can show up as a more defined, supported appearance, including a more snatched neck, jawline, and overall facial structure. Walking, running, dancing, and sports of all kinds offer incredible benefits. But when it comes to supporting structure, resilience, and long-term health, strength training plays a unique role that nothing else quite replaces. There is a growing body of research supporting this. A 2023 study out of Japan found that just two 30-minute strength training sessions per week over 16 weeks, including simple stuff like squats, lunges, curls, push-ups, and core work, was shown to measurably increase dermal thickness and support collagen-related processes in the skin. And I've noticed this in myself and with clients, friends, family who strength train regularly. They look good, period. Not just because they're more muscular. It's so much more than that. Their faces look different because they are, not in a dramatic or overnight way, but in a subtle, cumulative way that becomes more apparent over time, especially alongside the other whole glow pathways we've talked about. So no matter where you are with age, where you're starting on your strength training journey, adding some sort of strength training into your week can be one of the most impactful things you can do for your long-term health. It doesn't have to be perfect or super intense. You can do it, all of it, without machines if you want. I prefer using free weights myself. And depending on where, again, you're starting, you can do it with just your body weight. It just needs to feel appropriately challenging for you and be something you can stay consistent with and build on over time. There are a lot of ways to influence how the skin looks, but strength training supports the body from within in a way that's sustainable, accessible, cost-effective, and low risk. And like everything else in the whole glow, it's not about intensity or perfection. It's about consistency. Because when the body is consistently supported, it maintains its ability to repair, regenerate, and support how we feel. And our whole glow reflects that. Remember, if you want to go deeper into topics like this, you can sign up for The Whole Scoop, my newsletter where I share more detailed guidance and insights on health and wellness topics. Head to the link in my bio to join or send me a DM with your email and I'll add you. I love sharing this work with y'all and I really appreciate it.